All right, today I'm taking a look at the Vibrantor TENS and Powered Muscle Stimulator. Okay. Pretty nice. All right, so we've got a silky pouch. We've got contacts, 3, 4, 5 sets. There's 2 in each, so that's a total of 10. Charging cable, this is a micro USB to USB. And we have 2 sets of pads cables. So each set has 2 of these little snaps for contacting to the pads, and then a plug for connecting to the device. On the top we got A and B, so I'm plugged into A. We got plus and minus on the side, and then a button on the front. So go ahead and turn this guy on. Okay, so right now we're in TENS. It's in mode 1, mode 2, 3, 4. All right, and now we're in EMS. So the first 4 are for TENS and the last 2 are for EMS. So let's try the EMS. There we go. So all this is being done by the EMS unit, so this is not me. So if I change the modes, it does stop. It drops it back to 0, so I don't have to worry about it changing at all. So setting 2 is a little bit faster. So setting 3 seems to have a ramp up. So it starts out slow and then it builds up to a clench. And then setting 4. And that feels more like just a full clench. And then if we go to speed, so this is still EMS, this is still for muscles, but this is more for fast twitch. Yeah, so we just got straight on and off. So this is a lot more, yeah, there's no build up, it just goes straight into it. Cool. And then if we want to do just a massage, we got the TENS. Yeah, that feels nice. So it's this lightly cycling kind of a tingle. So yeah, overall, it's a pretty cool unit.